So let's start with the big picture. Let's start with the big picture. The developer role is changing faster than it was at any given point in the history, right? So it's not about getting replaced, it's about understanding what is getting redefined, right? 5 years back, when we talk about developers, a good developer meant, you had to memorize the syntax, you would essentially know all the algorithms, right? And you should know how to debug things line by line. Today, it's more about how you can describe the problem precisely and know how that can be evaluated, right? So it's not just your coding skills, it's all about how well you know what exactly you want to get done and how exactly you want to evaluate if somebody else is doing it for you, how well the things have been done, right? So AI is rewriting the playbook, right? 50%, 55% higher productivity is reported by Copilot users. I see a lot of Copilot users in the audience already, so you would vouch for it, right? So uh, it's 46% faster completion. These are all numbers that are coming from the developers who are using it, and things have changed repeatedly, right? So see, these are not just numbers. Copilot or any AI tool that we use in today's world basically is meant for reducing the friction. A developer who's using Copilot is like a senior engineer with a very fast junior at their side, right? It's not that you are getting replaced. You basically have a better tool that can get the work done for you, right? So you still own the architecture, the logic, the decisions, everything remains with you. The implementation part is something that you can get it done because it's more of a syntax based, which is not necessary in today's world, right? The numbers back this up. GitHub's own research shows 55% higher productivity, 75% feel more fulfilled, not because they think less, but because they type less of the boring stuff and spend more time on what exactly matters, right? The best engineers in 2026 are AI native. They think in systems, write an intent, and let AI handle implementation.